Hello everyone, my name is Torun. Once again, welcome to PE Worlds. Once again, I came with another video for Fit India quiz rounds, and I hope that you have done well in your preliminary round of Fit India quiz, and my videos came into your assistance. Here also, I came with another interesting video that is very important for your Fit India quiz, that is Khelo India Games, and I believe that this video is going to be very helpful for you. That's why I would request you to keep following our channel for more information about Fit India quiz and all. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it for more information about physical education and sports. Anyway, without further ado, let's start the video. Fit India quiz questions and answers on Khelo India Games. Set number 6, question number 1. Khelo India School Games, which are a part of Khelo India program, are first being held from 31st January to 8th February in New Delhi, 2019, 2017, 2020, 2018. The answer is 2018. Question number 2. In first Khelo India School Games, which age group have been invited to participate across 16 disciplines, which are as follows: archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, judo, kabaddi, kho-kho, shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting and wrestling. Under 17, under 14, under 16, under 19. The answer is under 17. Question number 3. On 31st January 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Khelo India School Games at the opening ceremony based on Guru Shishya tradition held at Indira Gandhi Stadium, New Delhi, Yuvarti Stadium, Kolkata, Chennai Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, New Delhi. The answer is Indira Gandhi Stadium, New Delhi. Question number 4. On 22nd February 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the first edition of Khelo India University Games in to give athletes the exposure of multidisciplinary events at the university level. Cuttack, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. The answer is Cuttack. Question number 5. Khelo India School Games was renamed as Khelo India Youth Games, Khelo India Games for All, Khelo India Adolescent Games, Khelo India Games for Youth. The answer is Khelo India Youth Games. Question number 6. In Khelo India Games, only selected school kids below the age of 17 years are eligible to compete in the individual sports. Top sports person from School Games Federation of India's National School Games, nomination from Federation, from Central Board of Secondary Education, from the host state, and 1 from organizing committee will be selected. So 9 sports person, 5 nominations, 2 from Central Board of Secondary Education and 2 from host state. In the same way, 8, 4, 1, 1, 7, 3, 1, 1, 10, 6, 2, 1. The answer is 8, 4, 1, 1. Means 8 sports person from School Game Federation of India's National School Games, 4 nominations from Federation, 1 from Central Board of Secondary Education and 1 from the host state. Question number 7. In Khelo India Games for archery, badminton and shooting, the top from National School Games nomination by Federation, 1 from CBSE, 1 from host state and 1 from organizing committee and from wild card are selected. 15, 7, 5, 14, 8, 6, 16, 8, 6, 17, 9, 6. The answer is 16, 8, 6. Means the top 16 from National School Games, 8 nominations from Federation and 6 from wild card are selected. So in this regard, the few information to be known, aim of Khelo India program to make popular the rural, indigenous and the tribal sport games, to disseminate information and pique the curiosity of present generation about these games, and also to encourage children and youth to take up these games in a major way, paving way for their mainstreaming. The objective of Khelo India program to encourage, promote and popularize the indigenous sports and games and those played in the rural and tribal areas of the country. Question number 8. The second edition of Khelo India Winter Games began at Gulmarg in the Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir on February dash. This is a 5-day event and will conclude on March 2nd, 2021. 26, 2021, 27, 2021, 25, 2021, 24, 2021. The answer is 26, 2021. Means the answer is 26 February 2021. Question number 9. Which state to host the Khelo India Games 2021? Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, West Bengal, Delhi. The answer is Haryana. Question number 10. The Sports Authority of India recently deposited 30,000 to more than 2,749 Khelo India athletes account. The authority has spent rupees dash crore in all to achieve this. 7.25 crore, 8.25 crore, 6.25 crore, 9.25 crore. The answer is 8.25 crore in total. Question number 11. In the second edition of Khelo India Youth Games, the team of Dash dominated the game by clinching the overall trophy for the second time with the huge haul of 256 medals, including 78 gold and 77 silver. West Bengal, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Maharashtra. Question number 12. Khelo India Youth Games third edition was held in Dash from 10th January to 22nd January 2020. Lucknow, Guwahati, Bhubaneswar, Patna. The answer is Guwahati. Question number 13. The third edition of Khelo India Youth Games was scheduled to be held in Guwahati, Assam in partnership with School Game Federation of India, Assam as host state, and Indian Olympic Association, International Olympic Association, Asian Olympic Association, European Olympic Association. The answer is Indian Olympic Association. Question number 14. Khelo India Youth Games 2019 were held at Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex in Pune, Indira Gandhi Stadium, New Delhi, Yuva Bharati Stadium, Kolkata, Chennai Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai. The answer is Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex in Pune. Question number 15. Which state topped the overall medal tally at first ever Khelo India School Games in New Delhi after winning 102 medals, in which 38 gold and 26 silver? Maharashtra has acquired the second position and with 111 medals, while Delhi with 94 medals came third. Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala. The answer is Haryana. Question number 16. Which TV channel has bagged the broadcast and production rights of the Union Sports Ministry's flagship Khelo India School Games for a period of 5 years from 2018 to 2022? Sony Pix, Star Sports, Ten Sports, ESPN. The answer is Star Sports. Okay, few more questions are given from the Hello India's fitness assessment. So few I am reading out and few will be there. If you want, I can give you the PDF file. What are the age group for which Hello India fitness assessment is to be done in schools? 5 to 9 years, 9 to 18 years, 5 to 8 years, 9 to 18 years, 5 to 8 years, 9 to 19 years, 3 to 8 years, 9 to 19 years. The answer is 5 to 8 years and 9 to 18 years. Which are the 4 key stakeholders who have access to Hello India fitness assessment information? Students, parents, PE teachers, SAI. PE teachers, SAI, students, school. SAI, students, school, sports coach. Parent, school, PE teachers, SAI. The answer is parents, school, PE teachers and SAI. Question number 19. What is the key objective of Hello India Fitness Assessment Program? Fitness for all students. Aim for sporting excellence. Aim for Hello India medal. Hello India Sports School admission. The answer is fitness for all students. Question number 20. How many fitness assessment tests are there for class 1 to 3? 4, 3, 5, 6. The answer is 3. So there are few more questions are there that you can see. If you want, you can text me. I can send you the PDF. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to like and comment. And also requesting you to keep following our channel for more information about physical education and sports.